So what do I know about interest rates and home prices? And what have I seen the last few weeks? And this has also happened the last few years during this time of year. So we know that home prices are at all-time highs. I also know that the Fed funds rate is higher than the 10-year Treasury. This has happened 4 times, and each time interest rates dropped afterwards. So will we see rates drop? Yes, we will. But we don't have that crystal ball to find out when. We know that the Fed and what they're doing by raising interest rates has slowed down the economy. We saw core inflation numbers drop, not to their target of 2%. We saw unemployment numbers tick up a little bit, and that's the first sign of a recession. And we saw the lowest number of job openings. Now, when we all think recession, don't think of what happened in 08, 09. This can be a healthy recession for us, causing interest rates to drop a little bit, which is what we need for a lot of buyers out there. I also know that there's a ton of demand and limited inventory, which is why home values will not see a decrease year over year. Now, the market heats up in the late winter, early spring. We've seen this every year for the past few years. What I'm seeing now, I'm seeing more opportunities in the late fall and early winter. We saw it the last few years as well. I've seen this because it's normal. In the last few weeks, I've seen a contingent offer get accepted and seller credits given to our buyers. That didn't happen in the early spring market when you were out there shopping for homes. So if you can get in to a home during this season in the fall and winter, go ahead and do that. Now, when this happens, you may see headlines stating that home prices are beginning to drop. Well, this is a headline and it's a month over month number. This is normal. It's slower during the colder months here. So you're going to see that. So don't get fooled. They will spike back up in the spring, and you'll see a ton more demand. And if interest rates drop from anywhere from 1 to 1.5%, it's going to create 5 million more home buyers that will qualify now. So I guess the point is, try and get into a home now if you can afford with the current interest rate environment. You can always get in now and refinance later. We have a buy now, refi later. We're not charging any underwriting or processing fee. And we also have strategies available to help with the payment the first few years. It's called the 2-1 buy down. We're here for you. Please let me know if I can help out. And I'm looking forward to seeing you next week on Midweek Mortgage Talk.